Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we got a pretty cool review. It is on the Mothership in titanium from KAP. I got this thing about like a month ago and been using it for about every other day. And I gotta say, I really love this thing. It's really easy to spin, very fidgety. I also upgraded the bearing into a full ceramic, which made it a lot better as well. And yeah, in the original video where I said I didn't like it because I couldn't spin it like this, I mean, this is kind of my main move that I do with spinners, with like the middle finger and the thumb. But recently I've been using my middle finger to spin it, which is a lot more comfortable. And when you're doing it like that, it's way easier to spin this thing. And it makes a really nice sound. Overall, like, I like the shape of it, I like the size of it, weight. Speaking of the weight, let me get my scale. All right, here we go. It is 63 grams, but these buttons are stainless steel, not titanium, so do keep that in mind. But overall, I really do enjoy this thing. And I think like this thing made me like realize I like titanium spinners a lot better than stainless steel. It feels a lot like softer for some reason to like grip it and then spin it. It's not as bad on my middle finger at all. Usually I'll get like marks in here from hot spots, but these edges are pretty rounded, so it doesn't really hurt. It's got a pretty good spin time. It's titanium. Yeah, but I mean, like, for the price of like 130 bucks, this is definitely worth it. There are some brands that have stainless steel spinners going for 145 plus shipping, some even 150, but this right here, titanium, is worth every penny you pay for it. I would also recommend getting their full ceramic bearings. Just sounds a lot better, and what it will do is just completely transform your spinner from the boring silent bearing they put in these things to a nice loud full ceramic, making all the sound. So yeah, I would give it a good 9 out of 10. Maybe if these edges were a bit longer, they would be perfect. If you guys are interested in the weight of the body of this thing, let me do that for you guys. So 36 grams for the body alone, and the buttons alone are 26. So 10 grams less than the body. Isn't that crazy? Just some buttons. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it also works with other buttons as well. For example, this is the Magatama button I put in the 2DC triangle. It also fits on this thing. I mean, not fully, but it does work. The Mothership is made for 28mm buttons, But since this is 24, it also works. And it's also lighter too. With these buttons, it is $54. Lighter. And this is also a nice try as well. And then this was like $145, I believe, with shipping. And this is $130. So yeah, but it's a pretty cool spinner. Really, really balanced. It does not wobble at all. And there's also some other buttons they also put on this thing. Those are the pillar buttons. I currently have them on the stainless steel Magatama. All right. These buttons are also titanium as well, but that's a lot of meat for titanium. I mean, like, look how thick these buttons are. Even though they're titanium, they're still pretty heavy. If these were like stainless steel or tungsten, oh my god, the buttons alone would be like 120, 110 probably. In tungsten. So yeah, but I really love that spinner. These buttons go on pretty much anything. This thing as well. They're really comfortable on this. But currently I have them on the Magatama. So yeah, there you go. Pretty good buttons. Yeah, that C bearing transforms it. This thing's got this thing has got the regular bearings it came with. Have not changed it. Maybe I should, but they're good enough. I would definitely recommend it if you're into titanium tri-spinners. You can also get this thing anodized. People have done crazy like looks for this thing. And yeah, I would recommend it. 9 out of 10 for me. Yep. Alright, well I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next one.